Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the fabulous world of one of the planet's most iconic birds. Get ready to have your mind blown with 10 fun and fascinating flamingo facts. Let's start with a classic. Why are flamingos pink? It's all about their diet. Flamingos feast on algae and crustaceans that are packed with pigments called carotenoids. These are the same pigments that make carrots orange and tomatoes red. Without this specific diet, flamingos would actually be a dull gray or white. Talk about eating your colors. Next up, did you know that a group of flamingos isn't just called a flock? They have a much more glamorous name, a flamboyance. How fitting is that for such stylish birds? So next time you see a group of them, you can say, "Look at that beautiful flamboyance of flamingos." Fact number 3 is a bit of a surprise. Flamingos are actually born with grayish-white feathers. They don't get their signature pink, orange, or reddish hues until they're a year or two old, once they've consumed enough pigment-rich food. It's a slow and steady transformation into their fabulous adult selves. Here's a balancer for you. Why do flamingos stand on one leg? Scientists have a few theories, but the most popular one is that it helps them conserve body heat. By tucking one leg up into their warm feathers, they reduce the amount of heat that escapes from their unfeathered legs into the cool water. It's a clever energy-saving trick. Fact 5. There are 6 different species of flamingos scattered across the world. From the Caribbean and South America to Africa, the Middle East, and even parts of Europe. While they might look similar, they have distinct differences in size, color, and beak shape. The largest is the greater flamingo, and the smallest is, fittingly, the lesser flamingo. Moving on to their unique dining habits, a flamingo's beak is a highly specialized filter feeding tool. They eat with their heads upside down in the water. Their large, bent beak works like a sieve, separating mud and water from the tiny shrimp and algae they love to eat. It's a truly bizarre but effective way to get a meal. Fact number 7 might make you do a double take. What looks like a flamingo's knee is actually its ankle. Their real knee is located much higher up on the leg, hidden by their body and feathers. So, when you see them bending their leg, it's their ankle joint doing all the work. It completely changes how you see them walk, right? Let's talk about their social lives. Flamingos are incredibly social birds that live in huge colonies, sometimes with tens of thousands of members. This safety in numbers approach helps protect them from predators. Within these large groups, they form strong bonds and even perform synchronized courtship dances to find a mate. For fact 9, we're looking at their parenting skills. Both male and female flamingos are dedicated parents. They build a nest together out of mud, and both take turns incubating the single egg they typically lay. Once the chick hatches, both parents feed it a special nutrient-rich liquid called crop milk. It's a real team effort. And finally, fact number 10. Flamingos are long-distance flyers and can be surprisingly resilient. Some species migrate hundreds of miles between breeding and feeding grounds, often flying at night. They can also live in some of the most extreme environments on Earth, like caustic salt flats and alkaline lakes where few other animals could survive. They are true survivors. And there you have it, 10 amazing facts about the incredible flamingo. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content. See you next time.